Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Explainer 101. Today, we'll explore the French Revolution from Class 9 NCERT History Chapter 1. Let's dive in. Discuss the socio-economic and political factors that contributed to the outbreak of the French Revolution in 1789. Answer: socio-economic factors: a state system, rigid social hierarchy with the clergy, first estate, and nobility, second estate, enjoying privileges, while the third estate bore the brunt of taxation. Economic crisis: France faced severe financial hardships due to overspending on wars and maintaining a vast empire. Food scarcity: regular famines and food shortages led to skyrocketing bread prices, causing distress among the common people. Political factors: absolutist monarchy. Under King Louis XVI, the monarchy held unchecked powers without any representation for the general populace. Ideological influence: Enlightenment thinkers such as Rousseau and Voltaire propagated ideas of liberty, equality, and democracy. Immediate events: the Estates General meeting and the subsequent formation of the National Assembly marked the beginning of the revolutionary movement. Enumerate the significant reforms introduced during the French Revolution and their impact on society. Answer: abolition of feudalism. All personal and land taxes were abolished, freeing peasants from serfdom and feudal dues. Declaration of rights: proclaimed freedom and equal rights for all men, emphasizing liberty, equality, and fraternity. Reforms in governance: establishment of the National Assembly, which introduced a constitution, diminishing the monarch's power. Economic reforms: introduced laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Introduced the concept of the pain d'égalité. Cultural reforms: abolition of censorship, allowing freedom of speech and expression. This led to a surge in literature, art, and newspapers. Gender equality: increased emphasis on women's rights, though complete political equality wasn't achieved. Comment on the role of women during the French Revolution and the subsequent changes in their societal status. Answer: active participation. Women were not mere spectators, they actively participated in various revolutionary activities, including marches like the one to Versailles. Demand for rights: women like Olympe de Gouges advocated for equal political rights, emphasizing the need for representation. Societal reforms: laws ensuring education for girls, freedom in marriage decisions, and legal provisions for divorce were introduced. Political clubs: formation of women's political clubs and newspapers, discussing and voicing their interests. Limitations: despite active participation, women were denied several rights, including voting. Their political clubs were shut down during the Reign of Terror. Analyze the impact of the French Revolution on global politics and its enduring legacy. Answer: ideological influence. The ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity influenced various global movements, including anti-colonial struggles. Influence on Europe: the revolution's principles spread across Europe, challenging monarchies and leading to democratic reforms in many countries. Colonial influence: the revolutionary ideas resonated in colonies worldwide, igniting struggles for independence and democratic governance. Enduring legacy: the French Revolution laid the foundation for modern political and social rights, inspiring future revolutions and movements globally. Elucidate on the rise and impact of Napoleon Bonaparte post the French Revolution. Answer: rise to power. Napoleon's military prowess during the revolution made him a celebrated figure, eventually leading to his proclamation as Emperor of France in 1804. Reforms: Napoleon introduced the Napoleonic Code, which ensured legal equality and protection of private property. European expeditions: he embarked on conquests, expanding the French Empire across Europe, and spreading revolutionary principles. Contradictions: while Napoleon propagated liberty, he also curtailed certain freedoms, reintroducing some pre-revolutionary practices. Downfall: his ambitions led to widespread wars, ultimately culminating in his defeat at Waterloo in 1815. However, his legacy endured, influencing European politics for decades. Prelims MCQs. Which of the following describes the estate system in pre-revolutionary France? A. A taxation system based on income. B. A rigid social hierarchy dividing society into clergy, nobility, and commoners. C. A land distribution method. D. The system of governance led by the monarch. Answer: B. A rigid social hierarchy dividing society into clergy, nobility, and commoners. What is meant by an absolutist monarchy? A. A monarchy where the monarch shares power with elected representatives. B. A monarchy where the monarch has limited powers as per a constitution. C. A monarchy where the monarch holds unchecked and absolute powers. D. A system where the church holds the ultimate authority in governance. Answer: C. A monarchy where the monarch holds unchecked and absolute powers. What was the guillotine used for during the French Revolution? A. A tool for construction. B. An instrument for public executions. C. A device for measuring land areas. D. A method for torture without causing death. Answer B. An instrument for public executions. Who were the sans-culottes during the French Revolution? A. The elite class supporting the monarch. B. The clergy and religious leaders. C. Commoners in France who did not wear the fancy knee breeches. D. Soldiers of Napoleon's army. Answer C. Commoners in France who did not wear the fancy knee breeches. What does the term emancipation refer to? A. The process of drafting a new constitution. B. The act of taking away someone's rights. C. The act of freeing or liberating someone from bondage or oppression. D. A military strategy used during wars. Answer C. The act of freeing or liberating someone from bondage or oppression. Which period of the French Revolution was characterized by mass executions and suppression of perceived enemies of the revolution? A. The Napoleonic era. B. The Estates General phase. C. The Reign of Terror. D. The Bourbon Restoration. Answer C. The Reign of Terror. Which body replaced the Estates General in the early days of the French Revolution? A. The Parliament. B. The Senate. C. The National Convention. D. The National Assembly. Answer D. The National Assembly. What event is considered the symbolic start of the French Revolution? A. The signing of the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen. B. The formation of the Committee of Public Safety. C. The storming of the Bastille. D. The crowning of Napoleon as Emperor. Answer C. The storming of the Bastille. Which body during the French Revolution was responsible for dealing with the threats to the new republic? A. The Estates General. B. The Bourbon Council. C. The Committee of Public Safety. D. The Royal Assembly. Answer C. The Committee of Public Safety. Which event during the French Revolution was a significant demonstration led by women demanding bread and resulting in King Louis XVI's return to Paris? A. The Women's Rights Convention. B. The Women's March on Versailles. C. The Bread Riots. D. The Versailles Treaty Protest. Answer B. The Women's March on Versailles. Which French fortress prison in Paris played an important role in the internal conflicts of France and was stormed during the French Revolution? A. The Louvre. B. Notre Dame. C. Bastille. D. Palace of Versailles. Answer C. Bastille. Who was the King of France during the onset of the French Revolution and faced execution by guillotine? A. Louis XIV. B. Louis XV. C. Louis XVI. D. Napoleon Bonaparte. Answer C. Louis XVI. Which palace served as the royal residence of France and became a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the ancient regime? A. Château de Chambord. B. Palace of Versailles. C. Château de Fontainebleau. D. Louvre Palace. Answer B. Palace of Versailles. Who was a prominent Jacobin leader during the French Revolution and played a significant role during the Reign of Terror? A. Marquis de Lafayette. B. Napoleon Bonaparte. C. Georges Danton. D. Maximilien Robespierre. Answer D. Maximilien Robespierre. Which palace in Paris served as the royal residence before the royal family was forced to move to the Palace of Versailles? A. Château de Malmaison. B. Tuileries Palace. C. Élysée Palace. D. Château de Blois. Answer B. Tuileries Palace. Who was the Queen of France during the French Revolution, known for her extravagant lifestyle and faced execution alongside King Louis XVI? A. Catherine de' Medici. B. Joan of Arc. C. Marie Antoinette. D. Josephine Bonaparte. Answer C. Marie Antoinette. The Reign of Terror is often criticized for its extreme measures. What was its primary objective? A. Establishing a democratic rule in France. B. Removing enemies of the revolution. C. Economic prosperity of France. D. Establishing religious dominance. Answer B. Removing enemies of the revolution. The storming of the Bastille was a significant event in the French Revolution. What does it symbolize? A. The end of monarchic rule in France. B. The beginning of the Reign of Terror. C. A revolt against the economic policies of the king. D. The uprising of the common people against oppression. Answer D. The uprising of the common people against oppression. Considering the chapter's events, which of the following had the most direct impact on the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte? A. The execution of Louis XVI. B. The Reign of Terror and the subsequent power vacuum. C. The storming of the Bastille. D. The formation of the National Assembly. Answer B. The Reign of Terror and the subsequent power vacuum. Thanks for watching.